One of the strong points of Kronos and our data collection system is the ability to interface into our ERP system. That's where we really feel we get the most gain. The speed and the accuracy of getting that information into the ERP system has been a tremendous benefit to our organization. One major feature within their package is the ability to collect man-machine ratio. We have a tremendous effort on the floor, on our manufacturing shop floor, where one person works on 5 or 6 machines at a time, or conversely, 2 or 3 people work on one machine. It's a big selling point with Kronos and with Penn Engineering to be able to collect that information accurately. It's extremely important for us to understand where our product is and when it's going to be completed so we can get our shipments to our customers. We manufacture over 2 billion pieces a year, and you can easily lose track of those parts if you don't have a good way to collect that information and move it up into your ERP system. One unexpected benefit that Penn Engineering did get was the ability to balance our payroll to our shop floor data collection. In the past, this was 2 separate systems, and those 2 never married up. With Kronos, we had both the ability to collect time and attendance and shop floor information, and this, from that point forward, has always been accurate. We've had great ongoing relations with Kronos. We have had several times when we needed help. Kronos has always stepped up. They've always been willing to do whatever it takes to get the job done, and we appreciate that.